Have you ever spent so much time choosing a movie or series on Netflix that you ended up just scrolling and eventually fell asleep? This is a common example of overthinking, which impacts both decision-making and productivity. Hello, everyone. My name is Dr. Syeda Quadri, and I am a psychiatrist. I have been working in this field for the past 15 years, and in today's video, we'll explore how to overcome overthinking. Overthinking not only disrupts your productivity, but is also a major factor in anxiety and stress. Let me tell you some practical steps you can take to escape overthinking. So let's get started. First, we'll understand overthinking a bit better. Overthinking is a repetitive thought pattern that deeply impacts decision-making and productivity. It often leads to anxiety and stress, as individuals repeatedly process the same thoughts without any productive outcome. According to Harvard Medical School, this habit can increase the risk of stress and anxiety by 30%. The American Psychological Association states that 73% of adults in the U.S. experience the effects of overthinking. If not addressed in time, overthinking can lead to chronic stress and even depression. Recognizing and managing overthinking is essential for your mental health. That's why I'm about to share 10 effective ways to help you break free from the cycle of overthinking. 1. Recognize the habit. The first step to overcoming overthinking is recognizing it. When you find yourself repeatedly stuck on the same thought or struggling with small decisions, realize that this is a pattern of overthinking. For instance, while writing a report, constantly thinking, is this correct or not, and being unable to move forward. Awareness is the key to breaking this cycle because you can't solve what you don't recognize. 2. Set a worry time. Setting a fixed time for your concerns and worries is an effective strategy. Dedicate just 10 minutes daily to freely explore your thoughts, and after that, focus on your work. For example, if you're worried about exam results, allocate a specific time in the morning to think about it, then shift your attention back to studying or working. This gives you a structured approach to managing your worries. 3. Distract yourself. When your mind is caught up in unnecessary thoughts, engaging yourself in a positive activity is a powerful solution. Distraction means redirecting your focus to something constructive. Suppose if you're stuck on a complex decision, take a short walk or dance to your favorite music. This practice helps break the cycle of negative thoughts. 4. Practice mindfulness. Mindfulness means focusing entirely on the present moment. It's an effective tool to break free from overthinking. Such as if you're having lunch, focus only on the texture, taste, and smell of your food without letting other thoughts intrude. This practice helps you feel calm and centered. 5. Focus on controllable factors. Overthinking often revolves around things outside of your control. Shift your energy to actionable steps you can manage. For example, instead of worrying about an upcoming presentation, rehearse your slides and speaking points. This approach will make you more productive and keep stress at bay. 6. Challenge negative thoughts. Challenging negative thoughts is a powerful technique to break free from overthinking. When you're thinking, what if everything goes wrong? About a situation, ask yourself a logical question. Is this thought really as serious as it feels in reality? For instance, before a client meeting, you might think everything could go wrong, but then remind yourself that you've prepared thoroughly and the outcome is beyond your control. This approach reduces stress and provides clarity. 7. Limit information intake. When working on a decision, gathering too much information can make overthinking even more complicated. Set a fixed time or data limit for your research or decision making. Such as, while buying a new phone, dedicate 30 minutes to reviewing options and then finalize your decision. This prevents analysis paralysis and streamlines decision-making. 8. Break decisions into steps. Breaking complex decisions into smaller, manageable steps can simplify overthinking. Suppose, if you're planning an important project, instead of thinking about everything at once, start with a basic outline and then take it step by step. Similarly, when choosing a movie, first decide the genre, then focus on the best option in that category. This process organizes your thoughts and makes them more productive. 9. Practice relaxation techniques. Relaxation techniques like deep breathing and meditation are incredibly effective in reducing overthinking. For example, when faced with stress or repetitive thoughts, take a minute to focus on your breathing. Inhale and exhale slowly. During a hectic day, close your eyes for just 5 minutes to relax. This helps calm and refresh your mind. 10. Seek external perspective. Sometimes your thoughts need an unbiased and clear perspective, which a trusted friend or professional can provide. If you're stuck on a decision and your thoughts are going in circles, share them with someone. For instance, discuss an important career decision with your mentor, who can provide clarity and direction. This approach helps you escape the trap of overthinking. Overthinking is a habit that disrupts your life through repetitive and unnecessary thoughts. However, with these 10 practical steps, you can manage and control it effectively. If you also struggle with overthinking, share your experiences in the comments below. If you'd like us to create more videos on relaxation techniques or specific mental health tips, don't forget to let us know. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Remember, escaping overthinking is possible.